Gorgeous top, but which bra will you wear? Too many straps. That one gives you bulges, and this one lets you down. Introducing Fairlift, the world's first instant invisible solution for perfect shape and support. Designed by a woman, Fairlifts make you look fantastic in everything you wear. Just look at the difference. Whether you're cup size A, B, C, even D. And unlike uncomfortable push-up bras, Fairlifts lift from above for a more natural look, so you defy gravity without surgery. Amazing! Simply place, peel, and gently lift to shape and support for a measurable difference. Incredible! Look, Fairlift's pain-free adhesive gives you invisible support all day, so you look naturally fabulous in any style, even in a swimsuit, or wear with your bra for even more lift.
The difference is amazing. I look like I did 20 years ago. It's like an instant lift, but without the surgery. After I had children, I would never wear a halter or a backless dress. Now with Fairlifts, I have a firm, lifted look and so much confidence. It's fantastic.
Look, you could spend hundreds on specialty bras and bra substitutes that still can't do what Fairlifts can. As part of this